It's package time again. These are some items I got off of Wish. Let's start with this big flat package. This is a tool for pattern drafting. It makes armholes and smoother lines. Let's see what's in this package. Some grommets, a little bigger than I expected. I'm sure I can use them. This one has some more rolled hem feet. And this one is a double sewing needle and special foot. It can be used to do finishing touches or special cording. This last one's a bit heavier. It just pours right out. Ooh, we got some studs. These look epic. This twin needle set comes with 3 different widths. I first took out this little bar and it was unnecessarily difficult, but I made it with a hammer. I attached it to this pre-existing foot that I had. I took out the pre-existing needle and replaced that and the pressure foot. Since I don't have a separate place for thread, I'm just going to use an extra bobbin and see if that works. I don't know if I should be surprised, but yeah, it actually worked pretty well. So I don't know how you're supposed to do it, but adding the little bobbin thread does work. Here are the set of 3 rolled hem feet. For comparison, this is a foot I bought from Madame Sew. The fabric was a little bit of a struggle to get in, but let's see how it does. And I realized I needed to push more fabric over in this way to get it bigger. And let's try the next size down. Again, giving it more fabric to see if it helps. Okay, now for the smallest one. Fed it a little bit more fabric and I think that's working better. Considering that I've had equal difficulty with the other professional rolled hem foot, I think it's more of a I'm not sure how to use this efficiently, so overall I think it goes good. These are the grommets I received, and I'm not sure what they're supposed to look like, but I think that's normal. I did get smaller sized ones and a grommet setter at Walmart, so maybe this will help me figure out how to work that. Now, I was really excited about these spikes, and understandably, about half the screws don't seem to want to go in so far, but I guess hot glue works too. Here is some footage of me using the curved ruler. As these items were bought off Wish, the quality is as expected. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied.